Active versus passive care. This is a really important concept when it comes to treating patients and really trying to empower patients in terms of their own recovery process. Hi, my name is Eric Hammer, registered physiotherapist, and today I wanted to continue on with my series about educating physiotherapists on different aspects of the rehabilitation process. And today I wanted to talk about this concept of passive care versus active care and why I think it's so important to encompass this active care approach. And so essentially, when we're thinking about passive care in this way, in terms of a rehabilitation process, really what I'm referring to here is this idea about modalities, ultrasound, acupuncture, heat, ice, these aspects of treatment that really involve the patient being passive in their own healing process. Now, although this can be a really helpful aspect to rehabilitation, particularly when it's more of an acute type of injury, in order to essentially desensitize, right, the area, reduce pain, help with inflammation. From more of a holistic aspect, it's going to be really important, in my opinion, to really focus in more so on the active approach later on, right? And again, this idea of empowering the patient through exercise, education, and again, really having the patient understand at a deeper level what might be contributing to their discomfort and pain, what might have led to, if they have had an injury of some type, what vulnerabilities might have led to that particular injury, and what steps need to be done in order to prevent and protect the patient and to be able to really empower them to get back to their functional goals that they want to get back to achieving. And so I just wanted to again emphasize that I think that this holistic type approach is going to be most important when it comes to, again, educating the patient, when it comes to empowering, and comes to this idea of the patient really being an active participant in the rehab process. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below. And I also wanted to make mention to, particularly for physiotherapists who might be watching my videos, to an online course that I do have available, which is called From Passive to Powerful. And again, it really goes into this concept of taking on this more active functional approach when it comes to the rehabilitation process. Thanks again for watching, and please make sure to check with a physiotherapist to make sure this or any other information is appropriate for you. Thanks again, and have a great day. Take care.